Okay, in this video we are going to see the shorthand. Okay, shorthand for the margin, padding, border we already know. Okay, we are just going to see the shorthand. So how does this shorthand works? How does this shorthand works? It works in the clockwise direction. It works in the clockwise direction. You can just imagine it works in the clockwise direction. Okay, this is how it works. How, sir? Means we start to make this way. First, we'll make top, right, bottom, and then left. Means anyway, I want to have a padding or margin, any property you can use, P or M. It will start from the top. It will come this way. It will come this way, and it will go this way. We can say top, right, bottom, and left. This is how it goes. So let me just give you one demo. We have already seen what the padding and all these things. Let us refresh this to go all the things null. So there is nothing here. So let us imagine I want to write border 1 pixel solid green. So that border is visible. So for now, there is no padding, no margin and nothing. If you just write padding and if you write 10 pixels, by default, it will apply to all the things. You see here padding, all the 4 sides it applied. But I don't want to apply same padding all sides. I want to apply different padding. So you can just write padding top, bottom, left, right, which I just showed you. You can just write padding. Okay. Padding left 10 pixels. Okay. Padding right 20 pixels. Padding right 20 pixels. Bottom 30 pixels. Okay, we need to start from top, right? We'll just end with top, no issues. Padding top, we can have 40 pixels. Okay, now you can see here 40 pixels, 20 pixels, 30 pixels, and 10 pixels. It's starting from here. Okay, we are getting these things. Means padding left is 10, but we need to start from top. Read always from top. What is padding top? 40 pixel, 20 pixel, 30 pixel, and 10 pixel. How much line it took me to write? Around 4 lines. I can do this in the single line. Means if I need different paddings for one element, then you can just write a padding property. If you write one value, it will be applied for all sides. But let us say for top, I need 25 pixels. Okay. For right, I need 45 pixels. For bottom, I need 55 pixels. And for left, I need 65 pixels. If you hit enter and you check your top, right, bottom, left. This is the shorthand property of padding. Okay. You can write the different paddings for the different sides. You don't need to write left, right, top, bottom. Okay. This is the one kind of shorthand. Let us say you want to have a 2 properties only. Means top, bottom you want same, left, right you want same. Then you can just use padding. Top, bottom I need 10. Left, right I need 20. How it works? It works in the same way. We start from top. I will go right. Again, I will come to bottom. Again, I will go to left. So means top and bottom, it will take 10 and it will take 20 at the sides. You see, top, it will go 10, 20, again it will go 10, it will again go 20. So this is the shorthand properties for the padding. Similar properties apply for the margin also. Let us say I want margin 10 pixels. You can use this. One side means all sides it will be 10. Sir, verify. You can verify from here. Border you can check from here. Padding you can check from here. Content this. Okay. So this is known as box model. And now we are seeing shorthand properties. Margin also. Let us say I want to have different properties. You can specify 4 properties. 10 pixels from top. 20 pixels from the right. 30 pixels from the bottom. And 40 pixels from the left. This is the property I want to apply, and you can come here, see 10 at the top, 20 right, bottom and left. Similarly, you can also use the margin shorthand for the, let us say 30 pixels I need top and bottom, and 60 pixels I need left and right. So you see here I can have 30 and top and bottom, 60 and left and right. What I'll do, I'll just make a copy for this. Okay. And I will just keep it here, and in the p tag, I'll just paste the style. Okay. Because if I just keep refresh this, you see it is reloaded automatically. So this is the called as shorthand properties of the margins and paddings in CSS.